Hello everyone, I am the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. In this video, I will be making the bullet journal setup for the month of January. So, let's get started. So, first of all, we need to make a cover page. I decided to cut out a piece of black chart paper, stick the black chart paper onto the entire page, and then make the cover page artwork on it. I decided to use my acrylic markers. I know, I'm not very good at using these said markers. I'll mess up like I always do. But the thing is that I tried out the markers on some chart paper and it worked beautifully. I was having some trouble picking the theme, so I took the theme of this January cover page that I had made last year. So in that drawing I'd made fireworks, balloons and lights. So I guess you could say that the theme for this January bullet setup is celebration. New Year celebration to be more precise. So I started by first making the fireworks and then outlining the fireworks with metallic markers. I also used the acrylic markers and the white gel pen. I then made the lights. I used red and green acrylic markers to color in. I then made these balloon letters, which took a lot of effort. I cut out each letter and pasted it onto the black chart paper. If you want to learn how to make these balloon letters, check out the January cover page video. It will be either on the screen, on the corner, or it will be in the description below. Or both. The cover page is finally done. On the next page, I made the index. It was taking a lot of effort to color in the balloon letters with a sketch pen, so I switched to the permanent marker. Now, if you have seen the previous Bujo setup video, the part 1 video, you know exactly why using the permanent marker was a bad idea. If not, then you'll see what I'm talking about in a few seconds. Also check out that video, the link is in the description box below. So I flip over to the next page to make the mood tracker and I see these stains of the permanent marker. Apparently I forgot that I wasn't supposed to use the permanent marker. But it's okay, I had already decided to make the mood tracker on the black chart paper. So I cut out a piece of black chart paper, pasted it onto the page and voila! Those pesky stains won't ruin the aesthetic now. I then wrote mood tracker with a white gel pen, moved in balloon letters and tracker in this curvy and flowy handwriting. I drew a single firework for the tracker. This idea was inspired by Amanda Retchley from one of her January Bujo setup videos. The geometry of my firework is a little different from hers. The link for that video is in the description too. I then made the setup for the first week. I looked at the calendar and saw that January starts from Sunday, which means that week 1 has only one day in it. I wrote week 1 in calligraphy and the day in short form and balloon letters. I then made 3 boxes, one for the tasks, second for my gratitude list, and the last one for my dream diary. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the video and the art. If you did, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.